What's up, guys? Today we'll be out here in Port Mansfield on the south side. I try to target some flatties today. Hopefully we get some luck. Water's a bit murky, a bit dirty, but I know as I get a little deeper, a little bit more of that will clean up. But for now, so we got to work with. So I'm gonna throw the Pinky Promise from All Out Fishing, guys. Make sure y'all hit them up. The link will be in the description. I'll be throwing a Z-Man. I think it's called Z-Man. Fish eye. It's a 3/16. Like I said, I'm going to be trying to target flatties. Try to get down there a little bit quicker and faster. And get them to strike. Get them to dump. Well, hopefully we're successful. Hope y'all will be able to hear me. Finally got that new camera. Was finally able to get a new camera, and hopefully the audio is a little bit better. Hopefully everything's a little bit better, guys. Hopefully y'all enjoy it, and well, y'all stay tuned and let's see what we catch. Fish on. go, guys. Hopefully y'all learned something how to catch some flounders on this video. Hopefully y'all stay tuned all the way. Like I said, we were pretty successful today, right there. Slayed them, and then we ran into that school of trout. That was awesome. It was on that Outlaw Fishing Lures, Pinky Promise. Look at that, guys, right there. Doesn't get any better than that, guys. Hopefully y'all learned something. Hopefully y'all stay all the way through. Go ahead and press that like and subscribe button, and if y'all can, y'all want to comment something, go ahead and tell me what y'all thought of the video or of anything else. Right now it's a little windy. I had to bring my other camera, so we'll let y'all go, and hopefully y'all like the video, and we'll fish on, guys.